Mr. Speaker, congratulations and bye-bye.
Republic of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, all protocol.
For aha Ghana Sem TV GH. Mesre wana wa subscribe na wa like na wa commenting so fe amaye. For earlier tonight the whole nation actually organized a memorial and tribute night for the 8 gallant men of this country who have lost their lives in a very tragic helicopter crash on Wednesday here in Ghana. And one of the people who was part, Dr. Alhaji Dr. Murtala, and Murtala Obia, very, very vocal. Beka ya Brian Nasa JB Dankwa debate eba or parliament. We don't want to from that debate. No, sorry, JB Dankwa no, or a CIA agent or betray or minor and all those things. Muna Obisuko say sit down, daughter of a murderer no, and I be in baby and Speaker of Parliament Alhaji Bagbin Ebeka say a fishing nipa no out till Agosiaga. But yes, that's how vocal Murtala has been. Now, only mobile assembly. Mum say Murtala no. Oh, ye school na osanko ye law. Na Lord no so call ye no. I say I feel na a friend to the bar. Ena akwa enoko we. Na enu actually crown so no. Osan ye ni PhD. And I say ya na na ye confer Doctor of Philosophy. We there nye ceremonial de ni bio. We there or ye hunjuma kasa. Now, go be bria muni Murtala no. They have been saying say, oh yeah, one of the very is a brainy, right? Very, very intelligent man and well spoken, outspoken and all. And earlier tonight, ceremony as you know, Madam, congratulations. No one say congratulations. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Oh no. Your friend will say, Ombe ready the tribute of Honorable Alhaji Dr. Murtala. Now, some of the things she said, now it was really, really emotional and sad, and I don't know, but I think, sir, from what the woman has said, Murtala was a good man. He indeed was a good man. He was a good friend. He was a supportive friend, and I think politics aside, right? Because of politics, but when it's all said and done, when the dust settles, I believe that some of these gallant men, like Dr. Murtala, will be remembered for the brain power, their intellectual firepower, and that is what Ghana is going to miss a lot from Alhaji Dr. Murtala. So let me just leave you to hear the tribute and the as read by the MP for Pusiga earlier this evening.
Observed, I stand here with a heavy heart to give reflections about Comrade Murtala. It's very difficult for me, and yet I have been called upon. Murtala was one who would always pat my shoulder, say, Hajia, I have come. Say, come on, stop. With our jokes as a playmate, I can confidently say, if for nothing at all, Murtala was a true Muslim, always quoting the Quran, even on the floor of Parliament when he was debating and ensuring that he translated it. I reflect the way and manner in which he would present his debates with facts and ensure that he quotes from the necessary references. I recall the fact that he is a person who accepts wherever he slipped. When even he was talking, he would quickly correct himself and make sure he says it as it is. The last time we sat together during a debate, I recall him saying National Democratic Party, and as colleagues tried to correct him, he quickly said, I am not a pot of knowledge. I come to learn and to be able to say it and do it as it is. So he quickly said National Democratic Congress. And he added, without forgetting where he is coming from, his humble beginnings, he said, I attended Kulukuli Primary with Honorable Haruna Idrisu. He is here. We laughed over his jokes. He was so much into duty, such that ever since I have known him for not less than 30 years, I have never witnessed a situation where he has not been readily available and where he will not apologize if even he was late. Your Excellency, the aura with which Murtala will present his speech makes everyone want to listen to him. He was a comrade to the extent that every youth that listened to him during media interactions will say, that is someone I want to be my mentor, or this is my mentor. When you ask who is that, they will tell you, Comrade Murtala. Murtala, I know, I believe, as a Muslim myself, that it is but death. We know that we Muslims, we say, Kanu inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. From the dust we came, from the dust we shall return. We have no power. All for us is to pray. Pray for you, pray for your soul, and say, may Allah, sallallahu wa ta'ala, grant you Jannah along with your colleagues.